right, my name is Gary Neustadter, and I teach the first-year course in contracts. I also teach an upper division course in bankruptcy and secured credit. I've been teaching here since the fall of 1975, so I'm one of the older folks on the faculty. And how did I get to Santa Clara? Well, my wife and I moved up from Los Angeles looking for a new place to live, and I had been a practicing lawyer in Los Angeles, but had always had an interest in teaching. You want to know what sets SCU apart from other law schools? I have to do that really pretty much on hearsay because I've never taught at another law school. From everything I hear, the faculty here really makes teaching a very high priority. We're concerned about how well our students do. My one piece of advice for entering law students, and my advice would be to practice writing a lot. I tell my students that they should try and write up answers to hypothetical client problems that we talk about in class, even though we've gone over the solution in class, discussed it. I frequently find that there's a great deal of distance between understanding the answer and being able to write it and express it in a concise and cogent and persuasive way in writing. Well, right now I'm working on a project that I've found particularly interesting. It involves about 200 lawsuits filed by what's known as a debt buyer who purchased what's typically considered to be bad debt, that is to say that debt's very difficult to collect, for pennies on the dollar, and then suing people after they've filed bankruptcy to try and collect on the debt. So in essence, taking advantage of people who are already in a very difficult financial situation, suing them, claiming that loans that they took out back in 2005 and 2006 when they were trying to buy a home were obtained by fraud. Well, I like to spend time with my family, my wife Patty, my daughters and sons-in-law, and my 4 grandchildren. Our 4 grandchildren, ages 4, 3, 2, and 1, essentially. They all live in the area, so we have a lot of time to spend with them. And my other passion is soccer. I like to play it, watch it, and coach it. So I've been doing that for a number of years.